This was the inaugural Tomassoni Tour to raise money for ALS research. It was put on by the Never Surrender group in Duluth. It's on the Mesabi Trail, a beautiful trail running through the woods up on the range. We're up around Embarrass, Tower, Aurora. Had some unique features, long bridge over the bog, beautiful woodlands, through the mine dumps and over the Laurentian Divide. And a little bonus was there were some fall colors as well. Part of the sponsorship was by the Minnesota Twins. And two legends, Kent Herbeck and Terry Steinbach, were there riding, and quite honestly, they fell in love with cycling. Around 35 riders. However, their snowmobile tour, which started with, they said, 18 riders the first year, is now 300, and they have a waiting list. So we expect the tour to grow because I think everybody that rode had a great time.
The Slice from PBS North.